Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a nail paint theme pinata cake. So let's get started. Let's start with fondant work. Here I am making nail polish bottles. Some are open, some are closed ones. This is chopped white chocolate. Melt it well till it's lump free. This is a dome-shaped silicone mold. Pour melted chocolate and turn it around so that it coats the base and sides well. Remove the extra and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now ready for second coating. Use a spoon and more chocolate and go over the sides. Scrape the extra and refrigerate again. It's unmolding time. Do it carefully. Here I have melted white chocolate. Color them matching to the fondant nail polish. And fill them in piping bag. Using gel colors, you can make any color of your choice. Take the chocolate dome and fill them with candies or goodies of your choice. Place the cake board over it and turn it upside down. Decorate the chocolate pinata with nail polish drip theme as shown. Make it as colorful as you want. Our nail polish theme pinata cake is dripping ready.